Hello, I'm going to introduce how to use Docker to run our application for job post similarity detection. First thing, we need to check if Docker is up and running in our local environment. And then we just need to clone the GitHub repo in the specified directory. And we need to check if there's a data folder in our root directory. And then we need to put the jobs.csv file inside this data folder. So note that all the other files, including the embeddings, the index, and the processed jobs CSV will be calculated and saved during first run, and they will be used in later runs for faster retrieval. And we should also check the environment file where there are a couple important parameters set. So the first one is the algorithm that we want to use for the search, vector search. So the default one is IVF 100 flat, but we can also use other ones. The similarity threshold set to 0.9. Up because after our evaluation of the distribution plot, we decide that this is a good number for this use case. And also, search sample size is a parameter we created for some faster running. If the file contains too many rows, then we could set it to a certain number to get a sample queries. We leave it empty here, so we will search for all the jobs and find their closest most similar job candidate. And use GPU can be set to true, but you need to configure your NVIDIA GPU in the local host. The file paths are set to default ones, but you're welcome to change it if you want to. After that, we can just use the docker compose up build command to build the image, and then the app will be run automatically. Here we already finished the running. This is because all the process files and embeddings, as well as the IDs are index are saved, so we can conduct the search very fast. So after step 4, similarity search and output generation, the similarity result is saved to the analysis files folder, and there will be a file called similarity results.csv, and that is the file that contains all the identified duplicates. So here is this is the printout for the first few lines of that document, but we can go ahead and go to find that document here. We can see that there are around 44,500 duplicates detected. And we can see that the lowest similarity detected is 0.9, which is the preset threshold for similarity score. And that's it. Feel free to leave any comments if you have any questions for how to use this repo and how to run this Docker image in your own environment. Thank you.